Here we go, they're starting their shit. Come trailing in front of the sun. They turn it on and off, and almost everything in the sky today, especially that right there, is all chemical contrails. And you can see one up there, they're making an X, one that's at a higher altitude. This is not water vapor whatsoever. That's a chemtrail. They're spraying our skies. You can see the X right there. Okay, they turn these things on and off in the desired area. And it turns into this type of shit. It spreads out. And my videos are full of it. You can see it spread out. That is not water vapor. Okay? This is what that scumbag BG is talking about. To block the sun from overheating the earth. Okay? Global warming is a blatant hoax. And they do this in the area of the sun. But if you review my videos, you can see they spray it all over the sky. And it's just terrible. All that there is chemical contrails they're spraying. People don't care, they don't even look up. Okay, if you took away all man-made chemical clouds that are in the sky, we'd have a beautiful day. Okay, you see how that, now you see how that line in the back of the big one is getting more prominent? Because that's what it's designed to do. It's terrible, terrible, terrible. The sun is there, and when I first mentioned that chemical contrail behind the big one, it wasn't that prominent, but you can see that it now is. And they spray this, they turn it on and off. Once they get over the desired area, then they turn it on hardcore. And you see how that one end is blending into that? That's what it's designed to do. This is terrible, what they're doing. All this is man-made. Man-made clouds. Just terrible. The guy looked at me like I'm crazy. He's the one that's crazy and doesn't even know it. He's like, what's up in the sky? I should have said, why don't you look? Are you stupid? Look at this, that's spreading out. Is it? Okay, Wikipedia underneath this video is going to put a fact check. They're nonsense that these dissipate. No, they don't. I got normal contrails on my channel that show how quickly that a normal contrail dissipates. Does that look like it's dissipating? No, it's blending in, looking like the other chemtrail clouds. Can you not see that? See how that blended right into that? Rewind the video and you can see. This shit does not dissipate. It is not dissipating. Look back there. You can see the chemical contrail lines. Now that'll blend in, it'll stay there, and it'll move with this one. And these are chemical contrails. Does that look like it's dissipating? Here, tell me, does it? No, it's blending in to the other framework of the clouds that are chemical contrails. See? See how that end blended in there? Does that look like it's dissipating to you? Now if I would have just got here, I would have known that was a chemtrail. But in another 10 minutes, it just blends into the rest of the chemtrails. See that? All this wisp and stuff is all chemical contrails. that they are spraying. And because I use the word contrail in my description, or their algorithm catches that word, they will put underneath my video what a contrail is. Okay, that is not a normal contrail. Do you see how that blends in? Just look, stupid people. You're under assault from every which way, north, east, west, south, up and down, left and right. So be sure to turn on the 6 o'clock news and then ABC News at 6:30 and get your dose of the bullshit. I got 2 strikes on my channel now, and right now I got about 4 more days to upload a video because of censorship. And this video just might be the one that gets me off. So if my channel goes, it's because of the violation of free speech. Do you see that? Do you not see what they're doing? That blended in. Another 5 or 10 minutes and you won't even know that was a chemtrail. That one way out there, that looks like a normal contrail. Out here, it dissipates. But you just watch this shit blend in. And that's what they do. It just blended in, and that's what it blended in at that end. You can still see some of the contrail that they laid down, and it is a chemtrail, and it just blends in and forms these type of clouds. And all that wisp, cloud wisp, is all chemical contrails. That was a big chemical contrail, a big chemical contrail. This is a layered chemical contrail. This was like about 5 chemtrails on top of each other, and they spread out. All this is all chemical contrails. And that one there that they just laid down, 2 of them, that one right there was a chemtrail. Okay, and that's what it spreads out to. They do not dissipate. Well, here comes my mom. God knows how much she spent. There we go. Bye-bye.